Write app reviews, product reviews, service reviews, or testimonials in minutes with AI-supported Testimonial and Review Generator. Our feedback generator makes it easy to get new reviews and polish real reviews effortlessly. Hello everyone, I am Ryan, here to assist you in using WriteMe.ai. Well, today I am going to share how to use WriteMe.ai's AI review creator to write a testimonial or a review in few easy steps. As you know, first you have to select your desired language, your tone of voice, and your preferred use case. Then input some relevant information such as the name of a person, product or service provider, and your review title. Finally, simply click Write Me. That's it. Back your offering with testimonials and reviews on any platform. Polish your testimonials and reviews to build a better profile and gain better authority for your offering. Explore new AI content creator suggestions and rule your competition. With the new and improved user interface and user experience, it is now much easier and simpler to use WriteMe.ai. I hope that we are providing you with the complete details on how to use WriteMe.ai creator to generate meaningful content for you. If not, please tell us in the comments section. Thanks. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye.